told my wife I wanted to get another sawmill. She told me I was crazy along with my kids. I've been milling for over 30 years. I used to have a big circle commercial mill, and then I sold the business about 20 years ago, and then I got back into it 6 years ago when I decided to retire. But I wanted to get a mill small enough to run on my own, so I came up and saw the good folks at Hud-Son, and it turned into a long relationship. I started out with the HFE 30, which is a homesteader. I've modified it. It's not recognizable anymore. I modify everything that I get.
Frankenmill.
Frankenmill. And then Tim got into it, and he bought a Oscar 30.
No, I'll start with
Patriot
the Patriot
first, and then Oscar 30. We mill mostly hardwood. We try to focus on crafters. We have an old truck box set up, and it's like a kiln. It gets very hot on the inside, and we have fans in there. And we just cut slabs and stack them up in the box and put them up for sale, put them on Marketplace, and we're the crafter's friend. Everybody comes out and buys crafting wood from us. And we do bar tops and tabletops and stuff like that with the wider slabs. Our favorite project? 4 tree forts on our property that we can hunt out of.
That's awesome.
That cost us absolutely nothing.
Yep.
Thanks to the sawmills.
Yep, absolutely.
Started a YouTube channel several years ago. It started out with flying an airplane, morphed into hunting, fishing, and now
Outdoor
sawmilling.
stuff. Yep.
It's just everything outdoors. This is our first sawmill building with the HFE 30 in it, and then this is the building that houses the second sawmill. We actually run 2 sawmills. That's because we're so busy at hobby sawing. And this is our table of damage here. These are things that we have found with the saw blades. And these are things that we found in trees that we were fortunate enough not to hit with saw blades. Some of the things you find in trees, and when you hit one, your blade is gone. I like Hud-Son mills because they're heavily built, they're quality for the money, and they're easy to upgrade, whether you use their upgrades or you manufacture your own. And I think one of the nicest things about the Hud-Son mills is you can get into and I'm not a salesman for Hud-Son, but you can get into like the Oscar 36 or the Oscar 30 for less than 10 grand, and then as your business grows, you can literally make that
Upgrade
mill
your
go all the
saws.
way up to a computerized set works. So that makes it really nice. This is a labor of love, though.
Yeah, there you go.
I might be crazy, but we really enjoy it. I love working in the woods. I love working on the sawmill. I think it keeps me young.
Yeah, but we're not only do we just saw with our saws, but we also do the forestry aspect of it. We go up, we have so many acres, we cut our own trees, we follow our own trees, pull them out of the woods. Rick's manufactures a lot of things for us. Built some log arches to go behind our 4-wheelers, our ATVs, and that's how we get our logs out of the woods without dirt. So if anybody's watched our channel, you know how we are.
Needs something to do. I enjoy it. I really do enjoy it.